Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to fix Dark Souls 2 Scholar of the First Sin monitor problem. As you know, Dark Souls 2 only runs fine and without any resolution and full screen problem on 69 monitors. Sorry for my bad English. So I have a 5.4 monitor. It's so old, and I have a solution to run this game without any resolution or full screen problem on every monitor. So here we go. The first thing you must do is to go in video settings and change the full screen mode on window width and change the resolution on this amount. So save the settings, and you must have a software named Loosless scaling. Yes, Loosless scaling. You can download it from Steam, but I put the link, cracked version link on description so you can download it, but I recommend you to download it from Steam. So I will run it. Okay, this is the Loosless scaling version 2. In the game profiles we have default. We must add another. The title should be Dark Souls 2, and for the executable we must click on browse and go to the game directory, game executable directory, and find Dark Souls 2.exe. Open it and add it. Okay, here we can see we have a Dark Souls 2 game profile. In the scaling mode we must choose custom and one scale factor, and click on resize before scaling. If you have an AMD GPU, choose this. If you have NVIDIA, choose this. Or if you have Intel HD graphics, use this or this. So I have NVIDIA and I use this. Okay, put the sharpness on 0 and let the cursor on, and choose allow tearing. Now close the program to save the settings. Again, you must run it. Now click on Dark Souls 2 game profile and you must click on a scale for software to do its job. You have 5 seconds time after clicking on scale to click on game window. So I click on it. We have 5 seconds. Click on game window, and then boom, we have fixed the problem. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe.